Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a low-pressure opening. Pick a neutral 10 to 30-minute window and ask, "Can we talk?" Once you have agreement, state the purpose in one clear sentence so your mom knows you won't derail the conversation. Use I statements to explain how you feel and why. This reduces defensiveness. Keep your voice calm, under about 60% intensity, and pause after key points so she can respond. These actions set the stage for constructive dialogue rather than escalation. You continue by focusing on listening and validation. Echo one or two phrases she uses, then ask one clarifying question to show you're engaged. Once done, acknowledge her emotions. Say something like, "I understand you're upset," which diffuses tension even when facts differ. Transition to problem solving by offering two reasonable options and inviting her input. This signals cooperation. Make sure to keep interruptions to a minimum and pause when needed, so the exchange stays balanced and productive. You finish by briefly summarizing the agreements and naming two concrete next steps with simple timelines, tonight or within 3 days, so both of you know what comes next. Then schedule a short 10 to 15-minute check-in to review progress and keep accountability. If things go off the rails, pause the conversation and suggest a 24-hour break before revisiting. This prevents shouting matches and allows emotions to settle. That single troubleshooting step often prevents repeated escalation and preserves the relationship.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.